Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In previous video, we discussed about the part of the string slicing. Okay, in this video, we will see 10 examples on string slicing. These are very simple examples. We will see it. Okay, here see, write a program. See here, write a program that reads a word and prints the first character of the word. Okay, I already told you in previous class, but once again we will see it. Okay, word is equal, suppose Python. Okay, suppose Python is there. Suppose here just I want to print first character of the given string. Okay, first character of the given string. See, first char is equal to, okay, variable name. What is the syntax? Variable name, the variable name, flower braces. Okay, flower braces. Here what is asking? First character. Here what is the first character of index? 0. Then print first char. Okay, print first char. Here p will be print. Okay, p will be print. Suppose here, suppose I want to take from user input. Okay, user input. At that time, input, enter the string. Okay, input, enter the string. See here. Okay, suppose here I am giving Ashok. Okay, at that time what is the first character? A. Okay, suppose here I am giving great. Okay, great. See, what is the first character? Chi. Okay, this way we have to print. Okay, this way we have to print. Okay, here I am not writing. Suppose next, here I don't want to write every program here. Maybe it's take waste of time, I think. Just I will read from here only. Okay, next program. Write a program to print the first and last digit of the number. Okay, write a program to print first and last digit of the number. Okay, first and last digit of the number. Here what is he given a number? Okay, he given a number. See here, take number. The every program I will do based on the user input only, no problem. It won't affect. I think you easily understand. Okay, here. Okay, first and here number. Okay, see, enter a number. Enter a number. See, enter a number. Oh, okay. I will explain. First, I will take one normal example. Then after 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, here one. Okay, here one number I taken. Here one number I taken. But initially number means it's integer. Okay, first initially number means it's integer. When we are giving user input at that time, it's a string. Now it's integer. Now I converted into string. Here what is the first? Here what is the first character and last character? What he's asking? Print first character and last character. Print first character means first char is equal to, already told you, first char is equal to variable name. Okay, variable name first index 0 as well as last char. Okay, last char is equal to variable name. Okay, variable name, length of the string minus 1. Okay, length of the string minus 1. What is the length of the number? Okay, what is the length of the number? Here I simply am mentioning length number. Okay, length of the number, length minus 1. Length minus 1, I already told you, right? Length minus 1. Then print last char. Okay, print last char. What he is asking? Print first char and last char. Print first char and last char. See here, simply first number is equal to this number I taken. Okay, but number means it's initially it's integer. Okay, in the indices are not applicable for integers. It's only applicable for strings. Okay, that's why the number I converted into str, string format. The first I find length of the string. Then after first char and last char. First char is equal to index 0 and last char is equal to the length minus 1. Okay, see, first char and last char. What is the output? See, first char is equal to 2 and last char is equal to 8. Okay, here first character is equal to 2 and the last character is equal to 8. Suppose here I am taking user input. Okay, suppose here I am taking user input. uh, enter a number. Okay, enter a number, your wish. Okay, here I am taking random numbers. See here, what is the first number? 7. And what is the last number? 3. Then see the output. Enter. First number is equal to 7 and last number is equal to 3. First number is equal to 7 and last number is equal to 3. If you want to change another number, okay, okay, if you want to change another number, see, first number is equal to 5 and last number is equal to 6. This is the first character and the last character printing. Okay, what is the next program? Write a program to reverse the digits of the given two digit number. Okay, suppose for two digit number he given, okay, for two digit number he given, two digit number he given, for two digit number we need to reverse the numbers. Okay, already we saw so many. Just to take str 56. Okay, here I taken 56 first char. Okay, already by multiple times go back. Already we have so much, right? Then remove this first char. Here only two digit number, first char and last char. Okay, first char and last char. You yeah, keep as it is, no problem. Keep as it is, no problem. Str. Okay, str 67. Okay, str 67. What is reverse the numbers? Okay, reverse the numbers. Print reverse the number. Here 67 is there. Okay, 67 is there. He need to print 76. Okay, that's why here we are using string concatenation. Already string concatenation I already told you in previous classes. First char and last char. Okay, first char and last char. See, 67. Okay, 67. What is first char and last char? I here we need to print reverse. Reverse means last char plus first char. Sorry, last char plus, okay, last char plus first char. Last char plus first char. See, at that time it will print 76. Okay, 76. See here, the given number is equal to 67. See, for first character number, last character is equal to length minus 1. Print last character plus first character. Here what is asking, for two digit number we need to print reverse. Okay, here suppose try with user input, input, try with user input, input, enter a number, enter a number. See, only two digit numbers only we have to give. Suppose 67, 76 already we saw. Okay, next, 45, 54 will come. Okay, next, suppose 32, 23, 32 will come. Okay, 32 will come. Likewise, we have to print like this. Two digit numbers, print reverse digits. Okay, print reverse digits. Next program. Okay, write a program. Okay, write a program that reads a word and prints the star equal to the length of the word. Okay, length of the word. Here what I mean, what his mean, suppose he giving one length of the word, very simple. Okay, length of the word, you know, we no need these all. Suppose input, suppose take one word, take one word, enter a string. Okay, enter a string, your wish. Okay, enter a string. First we will see initially. Okay, first initially already we saw so many examples previous videos also, but I will see once again. Suppose here I am saying Ashok. Okay, what is the length of the word? Okay, length of the word, length is equal to print length. Okay, how many characters are there? 5 characters are there. Then here you have to see 5. Okay, you have to see 5. Suppose Ravi. Okay, Ravi, how many characters are there? 4 characters are there. Here you have to see 4. Okay, likewise, suppose based on the user input, enter a string, enter a string. See here, here I am printing randomly words. Okay, here no, how many characters are there in that word? I don't know. Okay, see, Here I click randomly, see how many strings are there. 11 are there. Okay, total 11 characters are there. Suppose I want to print this is the great life. Okay, this is the great life. See here, total 4 to 6 6 3 9 and 9 plus 5. Okay, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 4 14 plus 4 18. Okay, but between the spaces are there, one space 19 20 21 22. Total the length of the string is equal to 22, I think. Okay, see here. Yes. Okay, 22. This is the length of the, we have to find length of the string. Okay. I hope you understand, friends, this program. Next. Okay. Next. Write a program that reads a word, reverse the word completed. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I understand. Didn't understand. Write a program that reads a word and prints the stars equal to the length of the word. Okay, 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 no problem. Here, what is saying, instead of word, okay, instead, suppose the length of the word is equal to 5 are there. Okay, the length of the word is equal to 5 characters are there. You have to print 5 stars in the output. Okay, suppose the length of the character 10 characters are there. You have to print 10 characters. Likewise, he asked, but I didn't observe properly. Okay, no problem. We will see easily. Suppose initially I took Ashok is there. Okay, the length of the word is equal to, length is equal to how much? 5. Length is equal to how much? 5. Here what he is asking, instead of 5, he need to print 5 stars. Okay, he need to print 5 stars. Then here length is a integer, no problem. Then print 5 stars. Okay, if you want space, keep space. If you no need space, leave it. Okay, length. Okay, length. See here, this star is the in between the quotation, double quotes are there, so it's a string. Here this star is a string, this star is the, okay, this star is the special operator, this star is for multiplication. Okay, this star is for complete operation, this star is for multiplication or something else. See here, here I kept space, means space will come. No space means, like, see what is the output, 5 stars are there. Suppose here you keep space, okay, 5 stars will come. Okay, in between the space. Suppose Ravi, okay, Ravi is there, at that time 4 will come. Okay, suppose based on the input, okay, based on the input, enter a string. Okay, enter a string. C, suppose the string is equal to how many, um how many characters, I also don't know. Okay, I also don't know. Enter. See how many characters, I don't know. How many, I don't know. That's why before that you have to print length also. See, suppose, see, length is equal, total 9 characters are there. Here total 9 stars are there. Okay, here 9 characters are there, 9 stars are there. Okay, suppose if I want to print, this is the, this is the, this is the great life. This is the great life. Enter, see, total 22 characters are there, 22 stars are there. Likewise, we have to print. Okay, I hope you understand this program, my dear friends. Next, see the next program. Write a program that reads a word and prints the L minus 1, where L is the length of the string. L minus 1, already I don't want to do another program. I already see this. Already this is a length. This is one word is there. Okay, see here. Suppose here I am entering Python. Okay, Python. In Python, how many words are there, how many characters are there? 6 characters are there. This is the length of the string. This is the length of the string. What is asking, length minus 1. You have to print just length minus 1, length minus 1. You keep just length minus 1, 5 will be print. Okay, 5 will be print. Suppose here I am entering again Python, 5 will be print. Okay, suppose here I am entering um anything, other thing, suppose, see, YSS 2 will be print. Why? Because the total length is equal to 3, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, Suppose if here I tried with user input, right? Then I will give normal input. Um, we are friends. We are friends. See here. Okay, we are friends. Okay, we are friends. See this. Total 13 characters are total 14 characters are there minus one 13 characters came. Suppose just v one will be output. Why? Because total two characters are there, two minus one, one. Okay, I think this is the friends. Maybe video will become very lengthy. That's it. I will explain remaining five problems in next class. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Maybe it's useful for you. Thank you so much, friends.